I'm going to go over how to create an Amazon storefront and what is required in order to have your very own page on Amazon as someone who is a person of influence or loves to recommend different products to their audience. If you're new to my channel, my name is Sarah. I help you create your digital influence, and I do that by sharing different tools, tips, and gadgets to help you create your influence and workflows with ease. Before we get into the video, remember to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel so I can keep creating content just like this to help you on your journey. Let's first talk about what is the Amazon Influencer Program. The Amazon Influencer Program allows you to get your own presence on Amazon, which you can customize and curate with products you recommend in your videos on YouTube or pictures on Instagram. Amazon also gives you a special vanity URL, which allows you to promote your Amazon presence verbally to your followers as well. And when your customers visit your page and shop on Amazon, you get compensated for purchases in a similar fashion as you would with the Amazon Associates Program. You can now send your followers to shop your favorite products in one place with their trusted e-commerce leader. The difference between Amazon Influencer Program and Amazon Associates is that the Amazon Influencer Program is basically an extension to the existing Online Associates Program for qualifying social media influencers. You get similar benefits to the Online Associates Program, which with the Amazon Associates, anyone can apply to be part of. But the biggest difference is that with an Amazon Influencer account is that there is an approval process. You'll have your own page on Amazon along with your own URL as well. Your page will also be available to be shown to other Amazon shoppers. You get shoppable photos, shoppable videos, and you can also do live videos. Amazon Associates is for anyone and everyone who would like to send affiliate links to their audience, whether it be via their website, their social media, etc. In order to get approved for the Amazon Influencer Program, you will need to sign up via the Amazon Influencer page, which I've linked in the description below. There is no real threshold as to what qualifies you. I've basically got one with not that many followers, so I would apply regardless. And in order to do that, you'll be prompted to set up an account and then check your eligibility by verifying one of your social media platforms. Once you're approved, you'll be able to navigate your storefront from your Amazon Associates account. If you don't get accepted the first time, you can simply apply again once you feel like you have a better level of engagement. Once you have a storefront, you'll be able to customize it to your liking, from your banner to profile picture. You'll be able to post videos and photos, create idea lists, you can live stream, and you can add products as you go along onto your storefront page. And you can also manage your content and lists from there. With this banner at the top of your page, you'll be able to get links quickly to products as well as see your earnings, etc. When you go to your Amazon Associates page, you'll also be able to manage your storefront from there, as well as see reports, product linking, new promotions coming up in the platform to help you as an influencer too. If you're just personally shopping on Amazon as well, you can add the product to your storefront page by putting it in a list straight away. It's super simple to add as you're going along on Amazon. If you end up really investing in your Amazon storefront, commissions will vary and they won't be a flat fee, but those who are on Amazon are ready to shop. And if you're really into recommending products, applying for the Amazon Influencer Program could be a great avenue of extra income for you. So which program is best for you? Which program is best for you depends on your goals, whether you're someone who likes to recommend products here and there to friends and family or on your website, or if you want to build a full-blown store with all your favorites that people can shop as a whole. So literally like going to the store, except it's been curated online by you. If you found this video useful, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with a friend or business partner whom you think this will be useful. And if you'd like to see a real-time example of a storefront, I'll leave the link to mine in the comments below, where I do get a small commission with every purchase. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.